Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification is required in App Store on your iPhone, iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, close it and now open settings. Type on Apple ID profile. Now type on media and purchases. View account. Here is the manage payment. So here you have to remove your payment method if you have added, and now go back and type on country region. Type on change country region. So select your country. Tap on agree. As you can see, here is the payment method, so you have to select none. That's it. Put the formalities. You can put fake one. You can also put fake number as a formality. Tap on next. That's it. Now you can download apps without verification. As you can see, it's downloading without verification. If you are facing any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.